Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. If you're new to my channel, please remember to click the subscribe button down below and the bell for all notifications. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and share and leave a comment below. Doing all this will help my channel to grow, and I thank you so much for all your support. Now let's get into the video. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tammy and this is Southern Angel Stamping. So I did an unboxing the other day with my Stampin' Up products that I ordered, and as I promised, I got this kit. This was a project kit, Calligraphy Essentials project kit. That was on the clearance rack, and I promised you that I would open this up and show you everything in it in another video, so I'm going to do that today. And before I get started, let me just remind you that this is my host code for April, and here is that. So if you would like to go order, there is, I believe this is still on as of today. When I looked, it's still up on the clearance rack. I will put the number to it down below in the description box so that you can go find that. When you go to the Stampin' Up, I do not have my own website, so when you can just go to Stampin' Up, put my name in up top where it says Demonstrator, put my name in, Tammy Dameron, and when you go to order, you can use the host code. Okay, so they'll know you're ordering from me. All right, so let's get on into this. Let's check this little kit out here. I like how it comes in this nice little plastic bag. Ooh, looky there. Got some little sequins packs. I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see better. Okay. Is that better? We got some sequins going here, some like white iridescent looking. Okay. And this just looked like, I like getting kits. They're fun to work with. You get a lot of stuff in kits from Stampin' Up. I think kits are nice, especially when you find them on clearance. I love Stampin' Up's clearance rack. I always have. You know, even before I was a demonstrator, which I've only been a demonstrator for a year. So this is why I do not have my website anymore, because I have not been able to build up the clientele to be able to keep that open. So here is the instruction sheet and everything that tells what's in it and how to use everything. It's showing you the diagrams and everything. Okay, so that's in there. I'll slide that back in there so I don't lose it. And let's just pull all this out of here. And let's set that out of the way. The colors just look so pretty. So you get all these nice cards. These are envelopes, and they're all decorated. I love decorated envelopes. Keeps me from having to decorate them. So did it say how many? I'm sure it did somewhere. They're a 9x7 inch. I don't know what that is. Didn't say what though. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of this design. And this is a big size envelope. 1, 2, 2. So there's probably 4 of each design. Like I said, I really love the colors in this kit. There's 4 of that design. And then 4 of this design. Okay. And then here are the cards. There's going to be 4 of each design here. So it's kind of like a paper pumpkin kit. But this one you just don't get your ink. And this was a lot cheaper. Okay. And then these were neat. These are practice sheets. Good heavy weight too, cardstock here. I mean, nice. These are all the practice sheets so that you can practice your calligraphy. So I thought that was pretty cool that they put that in here so that you can practice all your letters. I like that they put that in there before you even attempt to do that. So then you got all your little practice cards. That's nice. And then here are all the labels. You got all of these different labels. Okay, so that's what's in the kit. And then of course the sequins. So that's a nice little kit there. And to go ahead and make some cards, even if you didn't want to do the calligraphy or make cards, you can do anything with this. I mean, just let your imagination flow. But I will be showing you later date probably how to use these, so be keeping a lookout for that. So I want to thank y'all for watching, and y'all remember to please give this video a thumbs up, and remember the link to this will be down below. Keep watching for more videos. And I'll see you again real soon. Have a blessed day and stay safe.